Hello, I'm Ann Montgomery, Editor-in-Chief of BioProcess International Magazine. I'm here at Biotech Week in Boston speaking with several thought leaders about advancements in bioprocessing and cell therapy development. I hope you enjoy their insights and their visions for the future.
Hello, my name is Brian Bell. I am manager of the Process Microbiology group at Bristol-Myers Squibb, Manufacturing Science and Technology. My team is responsible for the microbial in-process control strategy for all biologics drug substance manufacturing. The Bioforum Operations Group, known most often as the BPOG Group, is a collaboration of industry partners to discuss contemporary issues that challenges that we face and that we don't compete against. So there are areas that we can share our knowledge and learn from each other, but they don't interfere with our overall competitions in the marketplace. The microbial control work stream was started in 2012 with about 6 to 8 member companies. Now it is 23 member companies and almost 100 representatives. We meet at least once a year to discuss contemporary issues that are facing drug substance manufacturing, particularly for microbial attributes. It's an important work stream. The bar for microbial monitoring has been risen quite substantially in the last few years by the health authority regulators. However, there's not been any new guidance published by those regulators to define what those expectations are. So this group meets and shares their interactions with the FDA regulators or the regulators from other health authorities, and we can then understand what the benchmark is and what our expectations are and move to meeting those. So the publication on microbial monitoring for drug substance manufacturing it provides a consensus view from the industry on what are the requirements for understanding the microbial control for any drug substance process. It's a complicated process and there are many aspects that go into it, but what we've presented is the consensus view. So what we agree upon from the dozen or so companies that participated on what is required to show robust control over the process. Control of microorganisms has a clear impact on the safety and stability of the products that we're making. So we have to demonstrate that we have clear control over those so that we're producing highly effective and pure products. So the BPOG is primarily manufacturing. So it's those that are currently involved in active commercial manufacturing. We do not have regulators or suppliers that are involved, but it's just the manufacturers. The work stream has worked on the microbial monitoring paper that I presented here at this conference, but we also have about 4 other publications in the works. We're looking at those issues that are facing the industry: low endotoxin recovery, control of microbial control of affinity chromatography, which is the most challenging piece to downstream manufacturing. The different organisms that we find in EM and how we need to respond, in particular mold, and how mold that needs to be dealt with in a facility. And lastly, we have a paper in the works for microaerophilic organisms and detection of them in upstream manufacturing.